Think of the stock market like a pizza shop, with the pizza being the company and each slice a share in that company. The stock market is used as a tool for companies that want to grow and expand, but need money to do so. To do this, they will then go through an IPO or initial public offering. This is where the company, or the pizza, will offer a share or a slice in return for money. Companies that go through this process are generally small with relatively small income. Think of this company as the margarita. In this example, we will refer to pizza toppings as the company's products and services. Because the margarita has a limited amount of toppings, you can buy a slice of this pizza fairly cheap. Once all the slices of the pizza that are on offer have been sold, let's say for $2 a slice, the pizza now has enough capital to continue to add toppings. As the pizza adds more toppings, or products and services, it becomes more valuable and looks much more attractive. For this reason, the price of the pizza has now increased to $3. The investor that bought this slice of pizza has now made a $1 profit and can either sell his slice or hold on to it. If the pizza continues to add more toppings, then the price of each slice will continue to rise. But the same can happen in the opposite direction. If the pizza starts taking off the toppings, or cannot afford to keep them, then the price of that slice will drop back down to $2 or even lower. The same principle applies to companies and what they do. If they are creating more products and services, then they will continue to generate more revenue and income, and in turn, increase the price of their shares. This is a simple process and can make an investor a lot of money. But you can also lose money very easily if you don't know what you are doing. For this reason, it is very important to do your research before jumping in to buy some pizza shares. No one wants to buy a pizza if they don't know what's on it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn more about.